How to stop someone from taking screenshot of Instagram story. If you are looking to stop someone from taking your Instagram story screenshot, there are a few things that you can do. First off, open up your Instagram and make sure that you're logged into your account. Then the next step is to head over to your profile at the bottom right corner. And after you've done that, you could just go ahead and tap on the menu icon at the top right. Once you land on the settings page, scroll down until you find here where it says how others can interact with you. The first thing you can do is uh, tap on this restricted option. Just tap on it. So here what you could do is see how restricted works. Here they won't be able to tag you, mention you, or remix your content, and they won't see when you're online or when you've read their messages. The messages to you will be moved to message requests, and only you and they will be able to see the new comments on your reels and posts. So here it will also limit the story interaction, so they won't be able to interact with your story. So search for an account that you want to restrict or that you don't want them to take screenshot from, and then it will be added to your restricted account. The other thing that you can do is try to post your Instagram story to close friends so you don't include them. And here you could just carefully handpick all of the close friends. So let me just leave out this person and then tap on done. So they won't be able to see if I post anything on my close friends. You could also change how you can how they interact with your story replies. So here on story replies, you could turn it off or don't allow story replies at all. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope it was helpful to you. I'll see you next time.